today our dad went to buy some glues. So we have.
I don't want to hear any noise.
Okay. So we got fruit coloring, this glues.
I'm using this one.
And I'm using this.
So yeah, guys, we're gonna be making some slime, and yeah, make sure you like this video. And sorry I haven't posted in a long time.
And hit the bell and
we need to bring it closer.
and smash this video. Smash this video.
This is my channel, Gregory.
Smash
So
it.
we got activator.
Yeah, guys. So
And then,
guys, smash this video and hit the bell, and then
yeah.
3, 2, 1, bang bang. Okay.
So I'm gonna pour my glue.
What happened?
You have to take the top off.
Oh.
Gotta get the glue in there.
Yeah. Come on, glue. Get in the bowl. Okay. Now we.
I wanna make a milky slime. So
Me
I'm gonna-
too.
So I'm gonna put some lotion.
Me too. Make me too. Please, Mia. There's more.
Well,
Now we put activator.
no, we mix it.
Now we mix it.
This is my brother's first time making slime because he never made slime with me before. It smells good with the lotion in it.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna add color.
Yeah. I hope it turns out. I'm so excited, Mia. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm so excited, Mia. Mia,
This is gonna be a short video because we're just making slime.
Yeah.
Me first.
Wow. Now we mix it.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Yeah. Yeah, so pretty, guys.
I'm gonna add more because I want it to be a blue, but the tide is gonna make
Me too. Mix it. It turned into slime. It turned into blue slime.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Time to add activator.
There. Hey, no more happened with it.
Wait, Google, too much.
Okay.
And we're gonna mix it.
Mix.
Whoa, it's coming together.
Yeah. Is this sticky?
Yeah, don't touch yours because I'm gonna help you.
I'm gonna keep mixing.
Yeah, keep mixing.
Oh, look, guys. Look at my pretty glitter slime. Look, guys, be sure you have slime and be sure you have slime and put it in a bowl. Yep.
Of course, how are they gonna make slime? Oh yeah, just so you know, this is my brother.
Ew.
I need more activator.
Me too. Me too, boo. Me too.
I know. Stop. Yours is gonna get deactivated. Look, mine is getting together.
Is it sticky?
A little bit. Just gotta mix it up. Look, mine is coming together. Mine is slime.
Whoa, can I feel it?
It's too sticky for you.
Why you have to do it? It's so sticky.
I'm gonna mix yours for you, okay?
I know.
Oh, so sticky.
Now we're gonna put
No, don't put more glue.
there's a little bit. Huh? No more glue? Oh,
I thought you know that there's no more glue.
guys, look at my tower slime.
I'm coming, okay? Let me just take this off.
You wash your hand.
No, I'm not washing my hands.
Why?
Okay, let me just clean my hands up and then I'll come. Keep mixing.
Okay. Tell you it's good? It's turning, guys, it's turning sky blue. I don't know, I like it. That's why you don't buy clear glue. Hi. Hi.
You done?
No.
We're not still done. We're still mixing.
Good. Don't be mess, okay? Take
Okay.
your time, okay?
Okay. Like that said, take our time to do
Of
this.
course.
Stress. guys, so.
Gotta get it all off my head.
I have an idea. So when I'm done mixing this, guys, we're gonna do a giant bubble.
And then we're gonna play with it for a little bit. Okay, I'm ready to mix yours now. Give me it. Take the spoon out. Whoa, yours is super sticky. We need to put more activator for you. Yep, yours is slime now.
Can I play with it?
It's sticky go-go, and you know what happens when you play with sticky slime? You want to do it?
There's enough in there.
I know.
It's
Ew, Gregory, did you fart?
No, I did it.
Yes, you did.
No, I did it. Sorry, guys, I fart.
Ew.
No good.
There's your slime. Here's his slime. Here, there's still more in here.
It's still sticky.
It is? No, Googly. Oh my god.
Man.
I knew it. We need to add more activator. You need to put it back in the bowl. No. It's okay.
Ew. We're gonna send it to Mommy.
No. I'm putting it on YouTube. Wow, your slime is not sticky at all. Let me take.
Can we use glove?
No.
It will stick to the glove.
Of course.
I'm gonna wash my hand.
Here. Try now.
It's not sticky no more.
Don't play with this softly. Just go fast. Like, play with it fast.
Okay, it's not sticky
Like-
no more? Like this?
No, you're not playing. Look, just do this really fast. Okay, and go like. So this is Gregory's slime. It's nice and blue. It has glitter in it. Yours is pretty good, Gregory.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this is your slime. And now let's check. Whoa, mine is
Look
sticky.
at
I
this
think I
guy.
need more
Woo!
activator. Because Gregory is not sticky and mine is.
Good guys.
Google.
What? Is your glue finished?
Mine is officially finished. Oh, this is so good.
Yeah. We have to put it a ball so we don't lost it. Mommy's not gonna draw a new slime.
Let me see yours.
Mommy's not gonna do, guys, my mom's not gonna draw a new slime. This is wasting my dad's money. Bye, guys.
Wow, Gogo. But yours is lighter than mine, so I think we can tell the difference.
Nia, can we mix it together? Yeah, can we mix it together?
No.
Nia,
Well,
no, not you. Hey, guys, don't tell your mom. Guys, tell your mom not to throw it out. This is wasting my dad's money, so yeah. Hide it somewhere, okay?
this is yours. Look at your hands. You don't know how to play with slime. Stop. There's still more in this bowl. My bowl is messier than my brother.
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Okay, that's what seems.
I'm gonna be right back, guys. So I'm gonna go wash my. Dad, I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Done.
No, we're not done yet.
Okay. So it's going good. Just gotta take the extra slime in the bowl. This is so nice. Wait, both of us are the same color. Just gonna add a little bit more color. They're like little confetti things that's inside of it. It turned out to be a milky slime. I was gonna make a jiggly slime, but I didn't want to
I'm
anymore.
washing my hands.
Finished?
Yeah.
Okay, I finished making your slime.
Excuse me, guys.
Ew, you farted. Let me put my slime in the bowl. Do it fast, Google.
So I don't get stick?
Yeah, do it fast, like that.
Okay.
Yours is so sticky. I added so much activator to yours. Let me let me add more. Because something is wrong with yours.
Then we mix it
Yeah.
with your hands.
I hope the activator doesn't make your slime sticky anymore.
Guys, I'm sorry I do that because I have a little bit sick, guys. So, yeah. Is this sticky no more?
These are you're so messy. I know, it's okay. I know you don't know how to play with slime because it's your first
Bye,
time.
guys.
No, we're not done.
Yes.
I know it's your first time making. Try now. Is it sticky? Okay. Okay. We're done making slime now. So happy.
It's not sticky.
If you want, you can put it in your bowl. Okay. The activator's still not done yet. Why is there glue all the way over there? Okay, thank you all for enjoying
Bye,
our
guys.
video.
Wait. Hi, guys. Bye.
So thank you for doing this video. And bless you. You're sick? So yeah, make sure you subscribe and like this video. And bye guys. Peace. Go away.
So